this is Tammy, the young lady I was talk about on our Belize videos, my Belize videos.
I do exist.
And she exists, and here she is. So we're going to Galveston this weekend.
Yes.
Is that the name of the beach?
Galveston Beach, but they've got, I think about 50 beaches in that area. It's this concentrated area: Galveston Beach, Tiki Beach, Stewart Beach, different beaches for different things that you may be into. So we're going to check it out and discover a new area today.
Yeah, so I had maybe one or two questions for Tammy. First question.
What's that?
Why do you like going to the beach?
So I'm drawn to the water. I am just one of those people who gets to the beach, any water, it's like a reset for me. I feel that I can go there and just kind of release whatever, a little bit of stress I may have, or just, kind of forget about the troubles of the world and just be one, sort of meditate and say some prayers too. So I'm drawn to it, and I think it's the energy that I get from the water, especially when I go to the ocean.
Yeah.
It's just the energy is just it's unmistakable.
Oh yeah. So what do you gonna think about this beach when we go to it?
So,
what are your thoughts? What are your opinions?
Here's the thing. I was so, and I am excited, but you said something that made me think. Well, it's not San Pedro. It's not Belize. But you know what? I think I'm going to feel the same. It's a large body of water.
Yeah.
It still has that same energy. It won't look the same, but you know what? I'm going to have that same feeling when I go there. But I think because this being the 4th of July weekend, there'll be a lot of people there.
Yeah.
And we just vibe well with people.
We do.
People are, I don't know if they're drawn to us or what, but we always tend to have some amazing stories. We come across amazing people.
Yeah.
Which is why we do these videos.
Yeah. Good energy. We bring good energy, good people.
Yes, absolutely.
Everybody got their quirks or whatever, but we good people, and we feel the energy when people come up to us and talk to us. So I'm sure we're gonna have some stories to tell, and people always walk up and talk to her all the time.
They do.
All the time,
They do.
especially females, women, ladies. Yeah, they walk up to her all the time and gravitate to her. So I'm sure
it's a beautiful thing. It's a blessing and a curse, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
But I'm sure, from that alone, we have stories to tell. But then, I got my little thing about me when I kind of mess with people and have a little fun. So,
And no matter what the vibe is, we always have fun. It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
We'll go somewhere and it could be a total bust, but but we have so much fun. We just have fun together. So that's that.
Yeah. So I mean, we make the best of where we go, and
Absolutely.
we always have a good time.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have some videos, maybe pictures. We come back, but hope everybody have a good 4th of July weekend.
Yeah. Happy 4th of July, and be safe, enjoy, relax, love, and live life.
All right. Peace.